In today's video, I'm going to share with you guys how we can use Replikanto to stop ghost orders when you're copy trading in prop account. But I want to remind you guys first, if you use code Mike20, it drops the price from $199 to $159.20. Now, let's talk about one of the features that can stop you from having ghost orders. And this is something new within Replikanto within the last couple of months. And that is going to be market only feature. And what that basically is going to do is once the leader accounts order is executed, it will then copy a market order into the other accounts. So here's what Replikanto looks like. And what I'm going to do from this screen is I have it on exact quantity. We're just going to do a 1-to-1. Now I'm going to actually lead with a Sim 101 account, and I'm going to follow into my Sim Apex account. That's what I normally use for the leader accounts. I'm not connected to Apex, so it won't have any issues. Now, the way I enable the market only feature, you can see this drop down box right here. Just simply go right here to where it says Apex right there. Click that, then it would be turned on. So now, before we go ahead and enable market only feature, I want to show you guys what happens normally. And again, a lot of times, especially if you're copying multiple accounts, this is where you can have hangups with the platform, the copier, the data feed, whatever causes the ghost orders out there. But for this example, I'm going to go ahead and hit buy market, and notice it copied the limit order right up here. I'm just going to move it. You can see it moves on the right hand screen. I go ahead and move the stop loss order. You can see the stop loss order moves at the same time on the right hand screen. Now, if I go ahead and I close this trade out real quick, just simply hit close. Bam, both accounts are then out of that trade. Now let's go ahead and come over here and hit market only right there. I'm going to go ahead and activate that. Now let's watch what happens this time when I go ahead and I execute an order. Now for this example, I'm going to go ahead and hit buy bid. You can see I have a resting bid limit order right down there. I'm going to move it up here just a bit. There, you can see it was filled, but notice on the left-hand side of my screen, I have a limit to get out of the trade, and I have a stop loss order to get out. But when we look over there on the right hand screen, you're like, uh-oh, my order is naked. What in the world is going on out here? Well, what you'll see is if the market comes and hits my stop loss order right here, it will then execute a market order on this screen on the right. Now, this is going to help you not having those open orders that, you know, when you have limit orders and things like that, stop loss orders causing the platform to hang up. This is going to help that out drastically. Let's see if we can get stopped out. Boom, we were stopped out. And notice the screen on the right also was stopped out of the trade, even though the orders were not displayed on the screen. Now, let me show you another feature within the Replikanto trade copier that can also help with ghost orders. So once you have the copier up, if you just simply right click right below the area on the left-hand side, and we come right over here to properties, I want you guys to pay attention to where it says follower guard. And if things come out of sync, you can have it to where it just disables the order, where it flattens the order, all kinds of other fail-safe features. So you might want to go ahead and read through all of these and check the ones that you want applied. Again, this is going to be another feature just in case the leader account gets out of sync with the follower account, then we can have certain actions taking place. And you might say, Mike, how do we know if it's actually out of sync? Well, for this, now I'm going to go ahead and hit buy market. Boom, right there. I'm going to move the orders out of the way here just a bit. Now, one of the things I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to cancel the limit order right over here and the stop loss order on the screen on the right hand side. Then one of the other things I can do is I'm going to go ahead and close out this tab right over here. But before I go ahead and close that trade out, notice what we have right here. We can see it shows the open position, how much we're currently up on it. But look right there. You can see how the little dot is green. Notice when I close out the follower account, I hit close. It's no longer in the trade. And notice what happens right here. This right here will turn yellow. If you have the follower guard turned on, then we can either desync the account so they never come back in sync, or they execute, they send you an email, all kinds of other features you might want to check out. Now, if you want to see a more in-depth of how to use the trade copier and all the other features, then make sure to watch this next video right here.